Hi students, how are you guys? I hope that you guys are doing well and quite relaxed while waiting for your final exam. Okay, so in today's very short video, I just want to re-emphasize and teach you guys again on how what are the procedures and steps for you to do your final exam. Okay, so first, in order for you to do the final exam, you have to know when your exam will be, very obviously. Okay, so firstly, please do open your blackboard. Like here, you have this blackboard here. This is my blackboard. And then at the bottom of your blackboard, you should be able to see this folder that says final exam 40%. And here in the front of the folder, it has all of the necessary documents and necessary information about your final exam. So your final exam is going to be on 27th of July, which is next week on Monday. It will be um, at 9 a.m. Malaysian time. Okay, so for international students who are not currently residing in Malaysia, please do take note on this. And then it's going to be 3 hours and 50 minutes. And just like I briefed you guys in the class before, there are four questions, and please answer all four questions. Okay, now what we have here in the folder as well, I have uploaded the instructions, which is so important, guys. Okay, and also I gave you guys the rubric. So here, as we can see, let's have a look at the instructions. Please read the instructions very carefully. Okay, so there will be a slight change on how the final exam is going to be. Okay, I'm going to explain to you guys in a bit, but okay, please remember to read this because there are some essential information that you have to know when you want to save your final exam paper. Okay, now here, let's click onto your final exam here and you would see the same instruction here in this here so that it's easier for you guys to see. All right. So normally, like as I mentioned, it's 3 hours and 50 minutes. There are four questions. Please answer four within the time. Okay, so you have to type and submit your answers only in one single Word document. Okay, and then please use a cover page. I'm going to explain to you guys the cover page in a bit. So here, this is your question paper. As you see here, it's not available. It will be automatically available on 27th of July, which is the date of your final exam at 9 in the morning. Okay, so this one will only be available on the day of your test itself. Now here there are two things. Okay, please um, watch this because there are two separate things here. The first one is the question itself. Now the question paper is in a form of PDF. Okay, the question is in PDF form, and what you will see also is another Word document. Okay, so it says here the final exam cover page. Okay, so the final exam question will be in a Word doc, sorry, in a PDF form. However, you have to open this cover page and edit your answers here. Got it? So your answers should be written from or downloaded from this cover page Word document. Okay, so all of the information on the size font, the type of fonts are all in this instruction. Okay, so please type using Arial character. The size is 12. Make sure that you have 1.5 spacing and you justify it. Let me do it with you guys. So this is your name, student ID. Okay, so go to this, your question one. Okay, let's say that you have answered it. Okay, so make sure that it's Arial 12, justify, and then spacing 1.5. Okay, got it? Right. So it has to be Arial, font size is 12, justified, and then the spacing is 1.5. Okay, so please do read this. Okay, read this instruction is very, very important now. The second thing now is that once you're done with your, test and exam, you have to save the Word document with your name. Now, how do you save your Word document? So you have to save your Word document with your name underscore your course code, which is ENL1110 underscore the session, which is June 2020. How do you do that? You go to File, you save as, and then you save your name underscore ENM3110 underscore June 2020. Okay? Alright, so this is very important. You have to make sure that you save your file, Word file with your name. Okay, I know a lot of you guys did not do it in your test too. However, marks will be penalized if you do not do this. Okay, this is very, very important because we don't want to mess up with your, exam papers. I don't want to be marking your paper and it's, someone else's paper, but it's under your name. Okay, to avoid those problems, please make sure that you save the Word document according to this. Okay, and once you're done, please click here to upload your answer. Okay, so the procedure is basically the same thing as your test 1 and test 2, so it should be fine for you guys. Remember, please remember, there is only one submission only. Okay, so please make sure that you upload the correct document. Okay, so please also remember to save your Word document like this. Again, if failure to do so will make will get your marks to be deducted. Okay, all right. So if you do not save it like this, your marks shall be deducted. All right. So that is all it for your final exam. Okay. Good luck. If you guys want, extra help or if you want to have a consultation before your exam, please email me. Okay. And then I'll give you the link and then we'll have some, virtual consultation if you want it. Okay. So thank you so much for joining me, guys. Good luck for your final exam. I'm sure you guys will be able to do this. Okay, so bye bye.